Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andini Nafisa Wibowo. Today I would like to present my analysis of morphemic cutting and morph trees analysis. I will use immediate constituent analysis, which is method used to break words into smaller meaningful units called morphemes. And I will also explain the total number of morphemes, the function, and word formation process of each morphemes. And now I will explain each word one by one. So the first word is humoristic. Humoristic is an adjective and it has a total of 2 morphemes. These are humor and the suffix istic. The word humor is the root, base, and also the same because there is no inflection in this word. It carries the main meaning which refers to something funny or related to humor. The suffix istic is the derivational suffix that forms adjectives and means having the nature or characteristic of. So humoristic means having the characteristic of humor. Jadi humoristik itu seperti menggambarkan gaya atau cara penyampaian yang sifatnya itu lucu. For the example, the book is written in a humorous style. Jadi buku itu gaya penulisannya itu mengandung unsur humor seperti itu. So the structure is a humor plus istic, and this word is formed through derivations. So it's not a compound word. The second word is enterprisingly. Enterprisingly is an adverb and it has a total of 3 morphemes: enterprise, ing, and ly. The root and base of this word is enterprise, which means initiative or a project that requires effort. The suffix ing is a derivational suffix that forms an adjective, resulting in enterprising, which means showing initiative or being creative. Then the suffix ly forms an adverb, meaning in a certain manner. The stem of the word is enterprising, which is the form before the final suffix ly. So enterprisingly means in an enterprising manner, yaitu penuh inisiatif atau dengan gigih. Misalnya contoh kalimatnya itu, she enterprisingly started her own business during vacation. Jadi dia itu dengan gigih memulai bisnis dia sendiri selama liburan, seperti itu. And then the third word is superintendence. Superintendence is a noun and it has a total of 3 morphemes: super, intend, and ends. The root of this word is tend, which means to direct or manage. The base is intend and the stem is superintend. The prefix super means above, over, or beyond. The suffix ends is a derivational suffix that forms a noun indicating a state or condition. So superintendence mean the act or condition of supervising or managing. Jadi itu artinya superintendence biasa pengawasan atau manajemen dengan memantau secara langsung. Misalnya kalimatnya, the project was complete under the superintendence of a senior engineer. Jadi project itu tuh selesai di bawah pengawasan senior engineer, seperti itu. Terus untuk strukturnya itu ada super plus intend plus ends, and this is a derivational process. Fourth word is autocratically. Autocratically is an adverb and it consists of 4 morphemes: auto, crat, ic, and ally. The root is crat, which relates to power or rule. The base is autocrat, formed from auto meaning self and crat meaning rule. So it refers to a person who has absolute power. The suffix ix is a derivational suffix that forms an adjective, resulting in autocratic. Then the suffix ally forms an adverb, meaning in a certain manner. The stem is autocratic, which is the form before the final suffix. So, autocratically means in a manner of absolute power or control. Jadi, Autocratically itu bisa dikatakan secara otoriter atau sewenang-wenang. Misalnya kalimatnya he managed the company autocratically, making every single decision himself. Gitu. Jadi itu dia mengatur company secara sewenang-wenang, secara autokratis, secara otoriter. Pokoknya kemauannya sendiri semuanya seperti itu. And then the structure is auto plus grad plus ik and ally. And this is a complex derivational process. The last word is over-sophistication. Over-sophistication is a plural noun and it consists of 4 morphemes. Over, sophisticate, ion, and s. The root and base is sophisticate, which means to make something more complex or refined. The prefix over means excessive or too much. The suffix ion is a derivational suffix that forms a noun indicating a process or result. The suffix s is an inflectional suffix that marks plural form. The stem is sophistication, which is the form before the plural suffix. So, over sophistication means excessive or overly complex refinements in plural form. Jadi over sophistication itu bisa dikatakan kecanggihan atau kecanggihan yang berlebihan atau kerumitan yang terlalu dibuat-buat seperti itu. Bisa tentang teknologi atau gaya hidup yang wow, terlalu lebay, too much gitu. Nah, contoh kalimatnya itu misal kalimatnya seperti ini. The project failed because of its over sophistications. The clients just wanted something simple. Jadi project itu tuh gagal karena terlalu rumit atau terlalu dilebih-lebihkan, padahal kliennya itu memintanya simple gitu. Itu untuk contoh kalimat penggunaan over sophistication. The structure is over sophisticate, ion and plus s, and it involves both derivation and inflection. Yeah. So in conclusion, all of these words are formed through derivation and inflection rather than compounding. By analyzing the total of morphemes, prefix, root, base, stems, and suffix, we can better understand how words are structured and how their meaning are formed and modified. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.